Meet Buddy the Bear. He's brave, curious, and ready for the biggest adventure of his life in the magical Whispering Woods.
Hi, who are you?
I'm Squeaky. I know all the forest secrets.
Wow, really? Can you show me?
Of course. Follow me.
Together they discover a magical map leading to the legendary Crystal of Kindness. The singing river greets them with beautiful melodies as they hop across the magical lily pads. Ruby Rabbit joins their adventure. She's the fastest hopper in the entire forest. They reach the puzzle rock. Only those with clever minds can solve its riddle.
Look, the circle glows. The square next.
Then the triangle and star.
The pattern is solved.
By working today, figure out the pattern. Teamwork makes the dream work.
The giant puzzle rock splits open, revealing a glowing crystal tunnel full of magic and wonder, leaving Buddy, Squeaky, and Ruby amazed. Inside the tunnel, magic butterflies guide them deeper into the mystery. They meet Ollie the Wise Owl, guardian of the forest's ancient wisdom. Welcome, young friends. I am Ollie the Wise Owl.
Wow, Ollie, the guardian.
We're so happy.
Beware the shadow cave and its creatures. But remember, courage and friendship can overcome any darkness. With magical armor of bravery, they're ready to face whatever comes next. Together, Buddy, Squeaky, Ruby, and Ollie step into the shadow cave, their courage and friendship shining brighter than any darkness. Buddy, Squeaky, Ruby, and Ollie realize the shadow creatures aren't mean, they're just lonely and misunderstood. Here, this is for you.
For me.
Thank you. We brought treats for everyone.
Let's be friends. But scary things just need a friend. Guided by their new friends, Buddy, Squeaky, Ruby, and Ollie follow the cheerful shadow creatures as they reveal the secret path to the Crystal of Kindness. There it is. Buddy, Squeaky, Ruby, and Ollie have found the legendary Crystal of Kindness, glowing with warmth, love, and magical beauty. The crystal reveals to Buddy, Squeaky, Ruby, and Ollie that the greatest treasure of all is the kindness they shared with friends along the way. The crystal gifts Buddy, Squeaky, Ruby, Ollie, and their shadow friends a piece of its heart, so they can carry kindness everywhere they go. The kindness of Buddy, Squeaky, Ruby, and Ollie transforms the shadow cave into the Sparkle Cavern, filling it with joy, color, and celebration.
With hearts full of joy and their new friends by their side, Buddy, Squeaky, Ruby, and Ollie begin their journey home through the magical forest.
The whole forest comes alive in celebration as Buddy, Squeaky, Ruby, Ollie, and their friends dance, laugh, and share the joy of their adventure. Buddy teaches all the forest animals that being kind and brave can turn any stranger into a friend. And so Buddy, Squeaky, Ruby, Ollie, and their new friends say goodnight, but their journey of spreading kindness has only just begun. Good night, little adventurers.